Have you ever felt lost, like you're just going through the motions of life without truly knowing who you are? Self-realization is the key to unlocking your true potential, finding inner peace, and living a more meaningful life. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful steps to achieve self-realization and live with purpose. Stay until the end for a bonus tip that can change your perspective forever. Let's get started. Pushpin 1. Practice self-reflection. The first step to self-realization is self-reflection. You must take time to understand your thoughts, emotions, and actions. White heavy checkmark example. Many successful people, like Bill Gates, take time daily to reflect on their experiences. This helps them make better decisions and grow. Light bulb pro tip. Keep a journal and write about your thoughts and feelings every day. Ask yourself, what truly makes me happy and what do I want from life? Pushpin 2. Identify your core values. Your core values define who you are and guide your decisions. If you don't know them, you may end up following someone else's path. White heavy checkmark example. If honesty and family are your core values, but your job forces you to be dishonest and work long hours away from family, you will feel disconnected from yourself. Light bulb pro tip. Write down 5 values that matter most to you. Make decisions that align with your values to feel more fulfilled. Pushpin 3. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Facing challenges forces you to discover strengths you never knew you had. White heavy checkmark example. Michael Jordan didn't make his high school basketball team, but he pushed beyond his comfort zone, worked harder, and became a legend. Light bulb pro tip. Try something new and challenging each week. Say yes to opportunities that scare you. That's where growth happens. Pushpin 4. Embrace solitude and silence. In today's noisy world, we rarely spend time alone. But self-realization comes when you quiet the noise and listen to yourself. White heavy checkmark example. Buddha achieved enlightenment through deep meditation in solitude. Many great thinkers, like Einstein, valued quiet reflection. Light bulb pro tip. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily in silence. No phone, no distractions. Go on a solo walk in nature to connect with your inner thoughts. Pushpin 5. Let go of society's expectations. We often try to live up to what others expect of us instead of following our true path. White heavy checkmark example. Steve Jobs dropped out of college because he realized he wasn't following his true calling. He focused on his passion and built Apple. Light bulb pro tip. Ask yourself, am I living for myself or for others? Give yourself permission to follow your own dreams, not society's script. Pushpin 6. Develop a growth mindset. Self-realization means believing in your ability to grow, change, and improve. A growth mindset helps you overcome failure and keep pushing forward. White heavy checkmark example. Thomas Edison saw failure as a step toward success. He said, I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Light bulb pro tip. When you fail, ask yourself what you can learn from it. View challenges as opportunities for growth, not setbacks. Pushpin 7. Align your actions with your true self. Self-realization happens when your thoughts, values, and actions match. If you know who you are but don't live that way, you'll feel lost. White heavy checkmark example. A person who values creativity but works a boring office job may feel disconnected from their true self. Light bulb pro tip. Make small daily choices that reflect your true self. Ask, is this decision leading me toward the life I truly want? Pushpin bonus tip. Let go of the past. You can't realize your true self if you're stuck in past regrets, mistakes, or pain. White heavy checkmark example. Nelson Mandela was in prison for 27 years, but didn't let his past define him. Instead, he focused on forgiveness and creating a better future. Light bulb pro tip: forgive yourself for past mistakes. Focus on the present moment and where you want to go. Pushpin as conclusion: self-realization is a journey, not a destination. By following these 7 powerful steps, you'll discover your true self and live a more meaningful life. Fire which step resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. Pushpin like and subscribe for more self-improvement content. Pushpin share this with someone who needs inspiration today.